Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the basics of architectural drawings. So if you want to make any architectural drawing, before that you should know the directions as well as the Vaastu. If you are going to make any plan for a building, you should know some basic Vaastu Sastra. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the basics of Vaastu. As we all know, we have four directions: north, east, south and west. Based on these directions only, we have to locate the rooms and the entrance. When you take these four directions, the center part is called as Brahmastan and the corner between the north and east is called the northeast corner, and it is also called as Ishanya. There is other name for this northeast corner, that is Ishanya, that represents the water. Similarly, the corner between south and east will be called as southeast corner, and the other name is Agni. This represents fire. The corner between south and west is called southwest corner, and the other name is Nairuti or Gubera. This represents the earth or mountain. The corner between north and west is called northwest corner, and the other name is Vayu. It represents the air. So these are all the basic things which you should know before making any plan of a building. So in this four direction we can divide like this. From Brahmastan, direct 90-degree, all the four directions will come, whether it is east, north, south or west. And then from the Brahmastan, when you take the corner at an angle of 135-degree, you can divide like this. This side it is 45, 135, 225 and 315. So in this angle you can divide the corners. So this is east and south directions, and the corner is called southeast corner. So here you will be getting the doubt like how much, up to how much distance from this corner we can consider as Agni. So for this you have to consider up to here. Till this it's east Agni, till here it is south Agni. From here to here it is fully south, and similarly from here to here it is east. I'll explain you this clearly. You can divide the four corners like this, 1 to 9. From this end to this end you can divide into 9 parts. Similarly here from this end to this end you can divide into 9. All the four directions you can divide into 9 parts. So this is south and west. Okay, so southwest corner from here to till here you can consider as southwest corner is Nairuti, right? Gubera. So from here to here it is south Gubera. From here to till this red line mark it is west Gubera. Okay. And again from this red mark to this red mark it is west, and this mark to this mark it is south. And when you take this southeast corner, from here to till this red mark it is south Agni. From here to here it is east Agni, and from this red line to this red line it is east. Like this you can divide, so that you will get a clear idea how we can divide the directions. If you take any site, for example I have taken here the site of 30 by 40 site. So if you look into the directions, this is your north, east, west and south. So according to this directions you have to make the plan, like you have to arrange the locations of the room. So as per this direction, this is your northeast corner, southeast corner, northwest corner and southwest corner. Here we have the locations of room as per Vaastu Sastra. This Vaastu Sastra has many scientific reason behind it. It's up to the people whoever is following. Some people believe this Vaastu Sastra, some people will not believe this Vaastu Sastra. But as per the basic science, they have defined the location of rooms. So when we make the plan, let's follow this Vaastu Sastra. So friends, I hope you understand about the basics of Vaastu. That's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.